You can now embed a card in your process rule on the object in HubSpot, and it updates dynamically. We're on a deal in HubSpot. It has a warning. This deal was won. We're going to move it to close one. Then we have an embedded card celebrating that one deal. If I were to move it back, just kidding, this is still in contract sent, it would dynamically get rid of that rule. Now what this is useful for, you can embed your sales playbooks directly on the deals, any information that your reps need to fill out the data. How to create this rule? Go into your processes and go into create rule. It has a new layout. So basics are the same. Do the object that you want the rule on, the internal title, the rule text, and the connected card. Now this connected card, wherever it is, we can flag as an error, warning, or positive. Now if we go to design, if you want the card embedded on the page like we did previously, you're going to click yes. Then we move to the logic where you're going to input what the filters are to make that rule appear.